Hi, I'm Molly.
I'm Adam.
And this is our self-converted shuttle bus camper.
In the summer of 2022, we quit our jobs, sold our house, and spent 7 months converting this into an RV.
And now we've been living in it for a full year, and we figure it's probably time for a tour.
We built our home on wheels on a 2003 Ford E350 V8 gas chassis. It's 20.5 feet long, 7.5 feet wide, and 9.5 feet tall. We made some suspension upgrades because our build ended up slightly heavier than the sticker weight rating. Here are some of the features on the outside.
We have 2 MaxxAir fans as well as 600 watts of solar. An outside outlet, 20-gallon propane tank, a bike rack that also holds our extension ladder, 2 cameras on the back as well as 1 on either side to help with backing up and changing lanes. A cargo box full of tools and equipment, shore power and fresh water inlets. We also made our own awning with electrical conduit, a tarp, and fixtures by Maker Pipe. For internet, we have Starlink. We didn't want to leave the dish outside while driving, so we made it easy to mount on this hinged pole. We also have an exterior light on this side, as well as one above the entry door that can be controlled by remote. Those are the main features of the outside. Now let's go inside.
Our entry has a magnetic screen, as well as hooks for coats and gear, our light switches, and cargo nets for shoes. The entry door can be operated with an interior button or by remote. The motor can be turned off and disengaged so that the door can be used manually as well as locked into any position. There are curtains on tracks that enclose the cab and close with magnets. There's a little bit of dash storage, as well as a broom closet in the weird space behind the passenger seat. The passenger seat rotates to access a DIY swivel table. The table and like 12 other things are stored behind the driver's seat. Above the cab, we have storage and a mount for the rechargeable vacuum, as well as our DC to DC charger and a cozy home for our Starlink dish. It was important for us to have a comfortable, permanent shower and a toilet that sets up in a hurry. We have a cubby for shower essentials, and the smaller roof fan directly vents the shower. The toilet pulls out and locks into place for use, and slides back under the sink for storage. We built a removable stool for comfortable sitting. To activate shower mode, we unsnap the toilet curtain, then pull the shower curtain out on its retractable line. We opted for this instead of a door to allow for more elbow room.
Moving into the kitchen area, on the passenger side, we have a thermometer, outlets, and propane furnace controls, as well as his and hers junk baskets. Our kitchen has lots of features, including a pull-out garbage can, propane oven and 3-burner cooktop, and some features that we didn't even have in our house, like a pull-out pantry. All the drawers are soft close, and the heavier ones have locking mechanisms. We have a ton of upper cabinet storage. On the driver's side is a large counter space with the obligatory van life fruit basket and a deep sink with storage underneath. There's more storage and the biggest chest fridge we could find because we like to eat and we hate shopping. Here's our control panel, bedside storage, starry night mural, and a library. And when we want to get wild, we put the bus into rave mode. We have cargo nets for gently dirtied clothes, under cabinet lights for tasks and mood lighting. Every window has a blackout window covering held in place by magnets that can be configured in different ways. The bed lifts easily on struts to access lots of storage and house mechanicals, including 600 amp hours of battery, 40 gallons of fresh water, and the plumbing system.
There's a quick tour of our shuttle bus conversion. We have loved living in it and where it's allowed us to go in the past year. Leave a comment below if you have questions, and maybe we'll see you somewhere down the road.